there was a fight, I guess. Check this new Explorer out. GT40. Right, today is a beautiful Sunday. It's a fabulous Ford Forever event happening at Urbandale Speedway. I'm trying to get in, but basically a deadlock right now. Been half an hour now, but we'll get there. See some cool cars, lots of Fords. Like over 1,000 cars are registered, so yeah, stay tuned. All right, we're getting there. Inch by an inch, we'll get there. Too many cars. Have to park on the racetrack now. Wow. It's the first time I've been in a midfield. That's the drag strip. This is insane. All right, made it in. So many cars already. I have to park on the racetrack. Wow, got some classic cars, highly modified drag car. Oh, look at this. Very nice. 1929. The Shelby GT500. Very nice. Love the color. GT350R. Hell yeah. GT350s, classics. GT500. Like so many Mustangs. But let's go check out the Ford GT over there that I'm more interested in. Wow, look at this. Such a pretty car. Because race car, right? A Ford GT. Wow. Underrated car. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I don't know, it's pretty enough. Pin drive, not a bolt. Oh yeah, definitely.
This is clean. Look at the paint.
I was running that Dr. Mustang, but since it didn't have a harness bar where I could do 4 or 5 points, I had to go down a class.
Yeah, I always got to run my NFC on the same thing.
Check that out. Wow. Oh man, this thing is so clean.
Alright, you got your boys, bro?
Got an incident going on here. There was a fight, I guess. Check this new Explorer out. Now that's cool, right? Dude got a Cobra on his roof. Hell yeah. Cobras. Terminator. There are just too many cars. White body. Twin turbo. Wow. Ribbit.
Under 3,000? Is that the rule?
Wow, full on race car.
It's cold. Huh? Oh, I know. I just left. See the water? Yeah, right. Yeah, it's like
Now this is what I'm talking about. GT40. Ooh. Look at these. Wow. Ford versus Ferrari. Celine 302. Convertible. Oh yes. Shelby Cobra. Alright, so this is one of the barn fight Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Only 31 in the world and 2 in this color. Hertz gold paint from Ford factory. This is a barn find. Wow.
Yan ang 1 of 2 lang siya, tapos ano? 31 in the world. Sorry. Tapos hindi kasi mga pera.
Yes, it's real. This was in the Back to the Future 2 movie, also in Solar Crisis movies. Oh, look at the steering wheel. That is pretty cool. Thunderbird.
Hydraulic. One never fails, and they go this way, you keep the water away. All this design is during the days of Apollo. It's crazy, isn't it? I saw the thing over the astronauts.
Oh, yes.
So they're making, yeah. But Neil Armstrong,
driving on the racetrack. This is where they do the Formula Drift. For the NASCAR and the drift as well. Alright, so I'm at the starting line of Irwindale Speedway along with the Tesla. Which one will win? I think the Tesla will win, but the V8 sounds better on the Mustang, so I'll take the Mustang any day. And it's a manual too, so. But it's a cool spot. A quick stop by the starting line. It's awesome.